Right. Question 11. Evaluate 25.2 into 1374 into 33.3. So if we multiply and then divide by this, we will get 1039.7838. Now we have to check least number of significant figures. Here 3, here 3, here 4. So 3. So our answer could be given in terms of 3 significant figures. So we have to leave these are digits. So it will become 1040. Evaluate 24.36 plus 0.0623 plus 256.2. So least number of decimal places. So one place. So we rewrite it 24.4 plus 0.01 plus 256.2. And then this will become 280.7. Next question is find average focal length with uncertainty in plus minus sigma. So we have to find out sigma, standard deviation. F is given. Now we find F bar. So we have to find out sigma F. And then F bar will be equal to sigma F divided by number of terms. So N. So sigma F upon N, if we evaluate, so that will be equal to 25.4. Now we have to find out F minus F bar. So this will be 0, then this will be negative 0.2. The next one will be 0.2. The next one will be negative 0.3. Then minus 0.1. Then minus 0.2. Then 0.1. Then 0.0. Then minus 0.1. Then 0.3. Now we have to square these numbers. 0, 0.04, 0.04, 0.09, 0.01, 0.04, 0.01, 0.0, 0.01, 0.09. Now we have to find out the sum. So sigma F minus F bar square will give 0.33. Now standard deviation sigma is given by 1 upon n number of terms and sigma F minus F bar whole square. So this will become root of 0.33 divided by 10 or 0.033. So its square root will be 0.18. So we have to round it up to 1 digit. So this will become 0.2. So our answer will be F equal to this value 25.4 plus minus value of sigma 0.2 centimeter. These values were given in terms of CL. Now let's go to next question. A vector has components along x-axis equal to 25 and along y-axis as 60 units. Now we have to find out the magnitude and direction of the vector. So we can say if this is vector A and this angle is theta, so its component along the x-axis will be ax, which is a cos theta, and in this direction it will be a sine theta. In our question, component along the x-axis 25, that is a cos theta equal to 25, and along y-axis a sine theta equal to 60. we can square and add. So a square equal to 25 square plus 60 square. So this will give a equal to 65. Now from here we can get theta. So 65 cos theta equal to 25, from where cos theta equal to 25 by 65, 5 by 13, or theta equal to cos inverse 5 by 13. Next question, find the resultant of three vectors. So let's find out the component along x-axis, that will be denoted as 2x. So 5 base component of this. So 5 cos 37 degree plus 3 plus, since it is perpendicular, so there won't be any component along x-axis, so it will be 0. And the cos 37, we can evaluate. So this is 37 degree, then this will be 3, this will be 4, and this will be 5. So 5 into 4 upon 5 plus 3. So this will give 8. Sorry, not 8. 5 will cancel out, so it will become 7. 7 units. Now along the y-axis, so OY, and that will be equal to its perpendicular component 5 sine 37 plus this has no component along vertical, so 0 plus this has value 2, 5 sine 37 from here, 3 by 5, 5 into 3 by 5 plus 2. So this will become 5 units. Now the resultant we can find. The resultant will be square root of 2x square plus 2y square. So that will be equal to 7 square plus 5 square. And that will be equal to 8.6. Now we have to find out angle. So we write tan alpha equal to OY upon OX. So it is 5 by 7, or alpha equal to tan inverse 5 by 7. Now next question is, the sum of three vectors shown in the figure is 0. Find the magnitude of the vectors OV and OC. So if sum of three vectors is 0, it means x components and y components will be equal to 0 separately. So consider x component. So x components of all vectors, so it will be equal to, we take this value, so it will become OC times this 135 degree, so negative half 1 by root 2, and plus OB. OB is along x-axis, must be 0. From here we get OB equal to OC divided by root. Now y component, so here it will become OC into sine 135, and that will be 1 upon root 2, and minus this component 5 being opposite equal to 0. So from here we get OC is equal to, in magnitude, so OC equal to 5 root 2. So if we write here 5 root 2, then OB we will get as 5. So that is our answer. Now question number 4. The magnitudes of OA, OB, OC are equal. So each vector is A. Find the direction of OA plus OB minus OC. So either we can take OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to suppose that. Now we consider sum of X components. Sum of X components will be from here. Each value is F. This is F. This is F. So it will become F cos 30 degree for this plus F cos 60 degree for this, and for this it will be negative. But we have to find out OA plus OB minus OC. So we are taking the X component of this. So minus sign is already there, and there will be minus sign from here. So this will become plus. So it will become F sine. So we are taking X component, so not F sine, F cos 45 degree. So we will evaluate F outside. This is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. So this will become F upon 2. We take common. So root 3 plus 1 plus this will become root 2. So this is sum of X components. Now, sum of Y components. So that will be equal to F sine 30 degree for this. This will become F sine 135 degree for this, and minus this will become F sine 60 degree for this. So F times 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon root 2 minus root 3 upon 2. So this will become F by 2, and then 1 minus root 2 minus root 3. So this is sum of Y components, and this is sum of X components. Now we have to find out the angle between the two. For this purpose, for getting angle, we write, suppose we write tan theta, sum of Y components divided by sum of X components. After we write tan theta equal to Y component is F by 2 will cancel out, 1 minus root 2 minus root 3 divided by root 3 plus root 2 plus 1, for theta equal to tan inverse this value, and that is our answer. Consider next question. So next question is, we are given a circle. This is circle, and then 3 vectors are given. So center, one vector is along x-axis, another vector is along y-axis, and third vector is at 45. And this is O, this is A, this is B, this is C. This vector is R itself, this is also R, this is R. Now, This angle is 90 degree and this angle is 45. So here, first we find the resultant of OC and OA. So the resultant of OC and OA, which are perpendicular to each other. So this will be equal to R. Suppose we write here AC in notation. It will be R square plus R square. So it will be R root 2. And since the two vectors are equal, so its direction, means resultant of these two will be at 45 degree. And third vector is at 45 degree. So net result equal to R AC plus R. So R root 2 plus R. So we can take out R, then root 2 plus 1 will be left. Now, next question we can consider question number 6. In question number 6, there are two vectors and they are at certain angle and their resultant is along y-axis. So suppose one vector is in this direction and another vector, one vector in this direction, another vector is in this direction, and the angle between them is theta. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this vector is here OA, and this is OB. It is given that value of OB is 6 unit and the value of OA is 4 units. So since resultant is along the y-axis, so the value, net value along x-axis must be 0. So what we write, let's find out x component. X components. So x component will be, this vector is 4 and its x component will be 6 cos theta, and it must be 0 because the resultant is along y-axis. So we can evaluate what is angle. Our concern is to get angle, what is theta. So cos theta will be equal to minus 4 by 6, that is minus 2 by 3, or theta equal to cos inverse minus 2 by 3. Now, consider question number 7. We have to find out A cap unit vector in the direction of vector A equal to 5I cap plus J cap minus 2K cap. We know that A cap is equal to given vector divided by modulus of it. So given vector is 5I cap plus J cap minus 2K cap divided by modulus of it. So modulus will be 25 plus 1 plus 4. So our answer will be 5I cap plus J cap minus 2K cap divided by root 30. Question number 8. Question number 8 says, we are given vector A plus vector B is equal to vector A minus vector B in magnitude. So we have to prove vector A is perpendicular to vector B. So for this purpose, we consider vector A plus vector B square. So this will be A plus B vector dot A plus B vector. So this will become A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Similarly, we consider A minus B vector square. So this will be A minus B vector dot A minus B vector, which will be equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Since the two values are equal, so if we equate A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. From where we get 4AB cos theta equal to 0. A and B can't be 0, so cos theta equal to 0. So theta is 90. That is our purpose. And question number 9. We have to find out the angle between two vectors. Vector A is given as 2I plus 3j plus 4k. And vector B is given as 4I plus 3j plus 2k. So we apply the formula of dot product. So cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by modulus A modulus B. So A dot B. So coefficient of I then with 8, then 3, 3, 9, and plus 4 to the 8 divided by square root of 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9 plus 16. Similarly, 4 plus 9 plus 16. Root 29 into root 29 will give 29. And this will become 25 upon 29. So theta equal to cos inverse 25 upon 29. Thank you for watching.